Well, it's been a pretty good year for stocks. Been a really good month for stocks, but a great year for the small ones. The Russell 2000 more than doubling the performance of the S&P 500 this year. Let's find out why, what it means for you and your money. Phil Streible of RJO Futures, Chad Morganlander of Stifel, Nicolaus are your guests. Phil, begin with you. Small cap outperformance has not really been a secret. I just don't know if people know that it's doubled the broader market. Is that sustainable in your opinion?
Well, I think it is. And I mean, generally, when you look at rising interest rate environments, some of the smaller cap stocks have always done much better on there because of the fact that they have less costs involved with a lot of this spending that's going on. A lot of the other larger companies are tied heavily into interest rates, and rising interest rates tend to have them lag quite a bit here. Now, since we've seen this election come around, we saw the Dow Jones really take off to the upside, followed by the S&P, and behind that is the NASDAQ here because they think that there's going to be a lot of increased costs here, especially with labor and other things with jobs staying within the U.S. So it makes sense that the Russell's taken off to the upside. You know, when we get a little bit long in the tooth here, though, I think that perhaps maybe looking at downside protection, like a small put option or something to perhaps try and protect part of your portfolio may be justified going forward.
Do you think so? A little put option, a little hedge, just a little protection to make sure? That a good way to do it, Phil?
Absolutely. Absolutely. I mean, I don't think there's a better way to do it. I mean, maybe even sell a call option on the upside. So you got to have a strategy in place for this, you know, and that's what we're here for.
Okay. Chad Morganlander, you're a value stock investor, and most value names you think of as sort of larger, slow growth. Have you, would you, will you dip into the small cap arena?
So we think it has a little bit more to go here. So we would still have an allocation towards small cap. But nonetheless, it's a forward-looking multiple roughly around 20 to 21 times. The S&P forward-looking multiples around 17 times. So we would fade the trade perhaps in early part of 2017 and move towards the large cap avenue there. And on the large cap side, we would prefer large cap value over large cap growth.
So you do own some small caps, even as a value guy.
Right, we do. I mean, we have an all-cap value fund as well as we run a rising dividend strategy that's predominantly large cap. But there are seams of opportunity within the small cap side. And in particular, you could also, in an efficient way, go with small caps by just buying the Russell 2000. At this point in time, we are in the Russell 3000, which does have an allocation towards small caps.
Wow, and a lot more in there. It's a very, very broad index. The Russell 3000, something we don't talk about much. We appreciate you bringing it up. Chad and Phil, both guys, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Folks, be sure to check out the live Trading Nation in the 1 to 3 o'clock show, Power Lunch on CNBC. I'll see you there as well. Have a great day.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.